Look at that. This. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here, welcome. So today I am going to do my hair in a Bantu knot. Watch to the end. There's a plot twist. Watch to the end. I was watching Desi on TikTok. I'll attach the little clips here, and I've always loved her hair. Like, I always thought it was a wig, and then recently she showed how she does her hair. So I am going to attempt to achieve that hair, and I know it will not be the same because Desi's hair is I think shoulder length and it's blunt cut. While I am aware of that, I'm willing to attempt and fail than not try it at all. I'm going to flat iron my hair and do the Bantu knots, and then wake up tomorrow and see if we have anything similar. Then, well, like I said, my hair is not a blunt cut like up to here to achieve that style, but I still want to see how my hair would look like. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to start with, I think she mentioned she does about 6 to 8 Bantu knots, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to section my hair into 6 or 8 sections, and then I'm just going to like flat iron it. And as soon as I'm done flat ironing that section, I'm going to like Bantu knot it right away. Sorry, I'm not going to flat iron. I'm going to use my Tymo hot comb, and that's what I use to like get like more straight hair. And then I'm sectioning it before that, so that I can like move quickly when I start flat ironing. As soon as I'm done straightening that section, I just like Bantu knot it and be done with it. You make sure that when you're twisting, you don't twist too tight. Otherwise, if you have twisted too tight, make sure you release that hair, because otherwise it's gonna pull out. I've had a bald spot before for very tight Bantu knots, so don't do that. Don't do like me. So I twist and then I put elastic because I don't trust that it will stay all night, and I try to center all of them to where the bonnet won't touch, so that I can you know, cover it up at night. If you have short hair, this is perfect. Here's a picture of when I had very short hair and I used to Bantu knot it wet, well, damp, and then when I take it out it would be like perfect. But with my relaxed hair, I don't think I can do that, or maybe I can do that. I think if I do that, it's gonna have like a natural look to it, which is also good. Maybe I'll try in future, but I'm worried about the elasticity, because now that I'm relaxed, when it's damp, it's gonna be more stretchy and maybe could break. I don't know. If you know, let me know. So we're going to see this in the morning after the bands broke off. And I think that's because at night when I was ready to sleep, I could feel like how tight it was, even though I tried very much to keep it loose. They were still tight, and then so I tried to twist them out like whatever, and then the bands broke obviously, but still, as we can still see, stayed intact. So yes, I know my hair is not as full as hers, and maybe if I had a blunt cut, I would be able to achieve that style, but I don't have a blunt cut, and I'm not going to cut my hair shorter so that it can look like that. What I'll aim for is probably get a wig like that, because I've always wanted a wig like that. I can put a towel on. And then she puts a side part to make it look like a flip of a wig. My hair is so thin, I don't think it's gonna do that. But let's see. The hair is so thin, it's not gonna. Should I just comb it out? I think I should just comb it out. Oh wow, it doesn't matter if you comb it, the curls actually stay. These are the justice. Let me just put on a white thing on top. So this, look at that. It's not It's not like her hair, but look at that. This. So combing it out does not affect the curls at all. They just there still. Okay. I feel like the back one is much looser. We don't know why, but it was probably thicker. I don't know. But it's still very nice. Oh wow. Looks like the bundles, like, is that the, it's not the water wave, is it the, I don't remember. Let's now like actually now style it, because I don't know how to style this. Okay, let's try. Can we do that? We can do that. Let's see. Reminds me of the curls back then that you had to like put the roller sets, the roller things, and then sit in the dryer. This looks like that. Lifting it up to try and make it fuller. I'm gonna go out. I'm going to church. There's actually rain outside, so I don't know how this is going to hold, but we'll stay like this all day, and then I'll check back with you in the evening and show you if they held well. So I'm back home, and the curls dropped. All the curls dropped. Not all of them, to be fair. When I made that video in the morning, that was around 9:30. It's now 6:30, so I don't know how to keep them up because they were looking so pretty. I got so many compliments, but they all dropped. The back ones actually are still there, so it's making me think it's reaction to humidity. I'm thinking I should get a good hairspray. I did not even actually put any hairspray today. We'll try it again next time with hairspray and see. So as much as it doesn't look like the lady's hair, it was really cute when I took it out. Like, I couldn't stop touching. This side is like purely straight, but I'm impressed that the back ones, like this one, like look at this one. So I'm impressed that the back one, this one is like still very curly like the morning, but these are the ones under. It's actually just one side, so I don't know. I really don't know. Anyway, so this is what we got. If you have a good hairspray that you can recommend, please save me in the comments down below so that I can do. I feel like if I'm able to maintain the curls, this will be my go-to style. It was raining, so I wasn't able to take like cute pictures outside, but I took some while driving in the car on Snapchat, so we can see those ones. Other than that, this was a short video, and I hope you liked it. If you have any more recommendations, things I could try, let me know. Thank you so much. Subscribe, comment, and share. and I'm really tired. So I'll see you on the next one.